Ayan mga boys, para sa pangalawang fights na magaganap ngayon sa Trillia in Manila, magharap nga po sina Albert Francisco versus Ramil Mercado Jr. So sa bakbakan nga ito mga bay, may nakatayang titulo, ang WBC International Flyweight title.
This is for the WBC International Flyweight Championship.
Yan si Albert Francisco rito mga bay ay may kartadang 14 wins with 10 knockouts at may isang talo lamang. Samantalang itong si Ramil Mercado Jr. naman may kartadang 10 wins with 5 knockouts at isang talo. So mulang Coronadal City itong si Ramil Mercado mga bay. Samantalang si Albert Francisco naman ay mulang Zamboanga City.
Albert Francisco 14-1 with 10 knockouts. Ramil Mercado Jr. 10 wins with 1 loss and 5 knockouts. Francisco fighting out of the Johnny Alorde boxing stable of Sukat Paranaque. While Mercado,
Ayan mga bay no. So parehong dugong Bisaya ang dalawang mandirigma na ito at paglalabanan nga nila yung WBC belt ng International Flyweight.
let's see whether he can show some sharpness here against
Uy, grabe. Pukpukan nga agad mga bay. Segundo pa nga lang nakakalipas dito sa round 1.
Exchange in the middle here.
Mercado. Seems to be getting the better of the exchanges. He's long.
Yan si Mercado, masipag magbato ng jabs.
Here's Francisco coming back.
Good sizing and round for these two individuals.
Francisco attacking the head. Mercado throwing punches to the side of the body. The thing about Francisco is that he has gone down.
Yan, Francisco, medyo namumula na ang mukha.
Particularly that fight against Mark Celes in 2024. He went down in round number 5. He actually lost that
So masipag magbato ng jabs itong si Mercado.
against Mark Antonio. He went
Ayan, ito yung kagandahan ng mga boxer na masipag magbato ng jabs.
That was impressive in 2024.
So sa mata ng mga horado, talagang papanigan nila yung kung sino man ang may maraming na ipapatamang suntok.
That's what we noticed. It's a different target for both these fighters. Mercado's going to the body, Francisco's going to the head. Mexican referee, our guest referee,
Pero wag ring magpakampante itong si Ramil Mercado Jr. mga bay. Malakas ang suntok nitong si Albert Francisco. 70% at knockout rating.
We got a stack card
Itong si
here.
Albert, si Ramil Mercado naman ay nasa 50%
Solely
ang knockout rating lang. Ayan, grabe yung pupukan rito mga bay.
Francisco not getting his rhythm because he's being tied up by Mercado as he comes forward.
Well, Mercado's been engaging first here, Canito. Wrestling from these individuals, and they get a warning as we enter the final seconds of round number 1.
This style of Mercado of punching and then holding is throwing too.
Ayan, nasa pangalawang yugto na tayo ng bakbakan. Francisco versus Mercado para sa belt ng WBC International Flyweight title.
He wants to take the initiative.
Sa unang round mga bay, naging accurate itong si Mercado sa pagbitaw ng mga jabs at suntok. So ang challenge dito kay Albert Francisco ay kung
Francisco now connecting
paano pantayan yung
actions.
number of punches na pinapakawalan nitong si Mercado Jr. Uy, sunod-sunod na body shot ang pinakawalan ni Mercado. Ayan,
Solid connection once again.
solid at pulidong kombinasyon.
Francisco
Delikado si Francisco rito mga bay. Kung mapapabayaan niya ang kanyang depensa,
Seconds of round number 2.
grabe kung makipagsuntukan itong mga dugong Bisaya mga bayo.
is charging in. He's getting tagged. He's clearly the aggressor in round number 2.
The more accurate of the two has been Mercado here so far, at least in these first 2 rounds. Again, he connects.
Referee Castañon gesturing to give their blows above the belt line.
Uy,
Again, a connection
tatlong
by
kombinasyon na malinis na tumama mula kay Ramil Macado Jr.
Even if this is a championship match sanctioned by the WBC, we are scheduled for 8 in the flyweight division. Uppercuts thrown there by Macado.
Ganda ng mga kombinasyon o yung estilo ng paglaban nitong si Ramil Macado.
And he connects once again with the left. Talking about Macado. He's so precise in his shots.
And the big difference here, Anthony, is that Macado has been able to launch. I think that's important, how you're able to launch your punches. But Francisco having a difficult time putting his punches together. He started out aggressively in this round.
Ay, sunod-sunod na body shot ang pinakawalan ni Ramil Macado Jr.
Macado very accurate with his right jab and then a punch to the body.
Connects once
At
again.
ito naman si Albert Francisco, pinapairal ang pagka-counter punching skill.
Francisco is 3 seconds. Francisco connects though.
Ayan, nakakunik si Albert Francisco mga bay.
Might have hurt
Nabarag dito si Macado.
left hand. And as we mentioned, this guy's got power.
What a flurry here.
And what's going on?
End of round 2.
Round number 3. Scheduled for 8.
Pangatlong yugto na tayo ng bakbakan mga bay.
It's for Francisco to beat Macado.
At nananatiling si Ramil Macado ang nagpapakita ng pagka super aggressive sa kanilang bakbakan.
Point of attack.
So pareho naman silang agresibo. Pero talagang nakakalamang itong si Macado sa pagbitaw ng mga kombinasyon.
He's making it
At masipag na rin itong magbato ng jabs mga bay dito kay Albert Francisco.
probably feels he's behind on points. Look at the way he's
Pero hanggang sa
charging.
hindi pa nga po nanghihina itong si Albert Francisco ay hindi maging ay wag maging kampante itong si Macado dahil knockout puncher itong si Albert Francisco mga bay.
Down on points here after 2 rounds.
Macado still throwing that right jab very accurately. One thing about Francisco is that he is a great finisher. You remember what happened in that fight against Neil Brook last July when he scored KO in the 10th round to win the Philippine Flyweight Championship.
So you know Kirito, he can go the distance. There's a lot of gas in that tank of his, but again, he's absorbed so much punishment here in the first 2 rounds. He ignored it there.
Miguel Loren is here with his family. And as we mentioned, Francisco fighting out of the Johnny Loren estate. And Johnny Loren is the father of Nico Loren of RPGA. And now, Ian Lyon.
And again, getting the better of that exchange is Macado.
Macado is certainly a lot busier.
Francisco
Punches, yeah.
exactly has taken a lot of punches here. A lot of punishment early. We're only in round number 3.
Macado's clearing the body of punches. A lot of punches. Francisco trying to fight into this contest.
Final 10 seconds here. Round number 3. Again, Macado connects with that right.
And end of round 3 mga bay.
Actually, he is ahead.
Pang-apat na yugto na tayo ng bakbakan mga bay.
Aggressive here is Francisco.
So hanggang sa mga yugtong ito nga po ay
To Macado.
andito pa rin yung pagka masipag gumalaw nitong dalawang mandirigma. So wala pa tayong nakikitang nanghihina sa pagitan ng dalawang mandirigma na ito mga bay.
Scott, right from the onset. Again, right jab. Francisco doesn't have here is a consistent right jab. That's a method of choice of Makado. That right jab has been bothering Francisco to win.
Francisco looks like he's trying to pick up the pace.
Uy,
but
nakatawa
yet
ng
there's
pulido
another
doon
right
si
from
Makado. Pero buo pa rin itong si Francisco.
He absorbs a left.
Good shots here connected by Makado. I think Francisco should show a little bit more patience. He's got to set up his punches. He's looking to knock out Makado with his big right hand. He's a southpaw. He depends on that right hand a lot. Without that right jab setting up his left or that right hand connecting with a power shot, it's been difficult here for Francisco to get his kind of mileage against Makado.
Francisco trying to push the pace. He needs to. He's just trying to push here. Can he do more than anything else? Not punching.
Here's Makado. Just not giving Francisco a
Parang walang kapugaran ang dalawang ito mga bay. So last 30 seconds dito sa round 4.
It looked like Makado was just trying to coast, but then suddenly
At walang pahinga sa suntukan. Itong si Francisco at Makado.
not as active in this round as in previous rounds. Could be
Talagang desidido ang dalawang ito mga bay para sa kampyonatong nakatala sa bakbakan na ito.
he's loading up here as we go to
Parihong uhaw ang dalawang mandirigma para sa kampyonatong naikatala dito sa laban.
gas in his tank to last.
slowly but surely
Nasa pangalawang yugto na tayo ng laban.
fitting in here in the big dome. As we enter round number 5.
At ito nga po,
Scheduled for 8 or second bout.
so aggressive pa rin itong si Albert Francisco sa pagsugod kay Makado. So bumabawi na ito ngayon si Albert Francisco.
Francisco needs to pick up the pace.
Uy! Malalakas na body shot mga bay ang binibitawan ng dalawa. So talagang palitan lang ng mga power punches ang dalawang mandirigma natin.
Francisco's just going for the big punches and he goes from distance.
Not too much action here.
Getting a warning from referee Makado for holding on to the arm of Francisco. As an uppercut scored by Makado.
So bodega ang pinupunteriya nitong dalawa mga bay. So sa tuwing susugod na itong dalawa magkadikitan,
Is it to a total contest?
ay bodega ang kanilang pangunahing punteriya.
Is that a good thing, Kinito? Because right now he's always getting the short end of the stick.
Magsusubukan talaga rito mga bay kung sino yung may mas magandang stamina sa dalawang ito.
Distance to throw that right jab because he's been grounded by Francisco. So that's one way to neutralize that right jab, which has been a big weapon for Makado. The other thing, once Francisco's close to Makado, he's got to be able to throw punches that connect. It's not enough that he comes charging in. He's got to throw and connect. He's got to land.
Francisco trying to go to the body here. But absorb some punishment once again from Makado.
Whereas in the previous round, Makado's
Ayan, parang tinatabla na itong si Makado mga bay mula sa body shot ni Albert Francisco.
is tapered off a little bit. So even that right uppercut that he just threw very noticeably has lacked power. I think his mouth is also a little
Ayan, bahagyang nanghihina na itong si Ramil Makado mga bay.
gasping for breath. This could be an advantage here for Francisco. As we said, this guy is a good closer. He's a good finisher.
But he needs to be outscored on here in the final rounds.
Huling segundo dito sa round 5.
Mercado bringing down both his arms. Trying to catch his breath.
End of the round.
Under the WBC rules after the championship fight,
Umpisa na ng round 6 dito sa laban.
you have the liberty to
At sa nakaraang round nga mga bay ay bahagyang nanghihina na itong si Ramil Mercado.
announce it again. That's a clear program.
So hindi na gaanong nagbabato ng jabs itong si Mercado. At itong si Albert Francisco naman ngayon, itong dahan-dahang sumusugod dito kay Ramil.
We had you right, Kirito. Mercado is in the lead here, only losing 1 round.
Nice left hand collected by Francisco. Still trying to throw that right jab. Has been a big thing for him in this fight. Francisco needs to just show that he's got energy and intensity left.
Talagang palitan yung dalawa mga bay.
Mercado once again connecting. Wanted to get this round. Increase his lead in the fight.
Malinis na kombinasyon, tumama sa mukha ni Ramil.
From Francisco.
The left hand and then the right hand from Francisco. As you see, Mercado's a little bit rubbery legged at this stage. I think he's losing steam.
Yan mga bay no. So nanghihina nga talaga dito si Ramil Mercado.
This is his opportunity. Francisco
So opportunity na nga talaga ito ni Albert Francisco na
Mercado.
paigtingin pa ito ang kanyang pagsugod at pagpe-pressure dito sa kay Ramil.
Sting on the punches.
That's right. You can see that he's tired. Francisco, his stamina is going to carry him.
Ayan, so
Here he is.
nagiging accurate na rito yung mga suntok ni Albert Francisco.
As Francisco realized that there is no more power behind the punches of Mercado, so he's becoming a little bit more daring.
Mercado's trying to fight back. Mercado's power ebbing a little bit here. He throws a right hand still. Francisco is just relentless right now. You see that Mercado's also going to get some rest. Like what he's doing right now.
Under 15 seconds here in round number 6. Just no more power behind those punches from Mercado.
And for Francisco, he needs a clean target.
Scheduled for just 2 more before we have the champion.
So dito nga po sa round 7 mga bay, umaatras na itong si Mercado.
Space in the ring to move away. He got tagged that time. Here's Francisco.
So ayan mga bay, tinatabla na itong si Mercado sa suntok ni Francisco.
Mercado have the legs to last this fight. Or even
Ayan,
this
natitibag na paunti-unti si Ramil Mercado mo Jr.
Francisco pushing the pace.
So mas lalong pinaigting ni Albert Francisco ang pagsugod.
round. Behind on points. He needs a big round here
So malaking round ito para kay Albert Francisco mga bay.
to pick up a 10-8 round or even score a knockout. He's connecting cleanly now.
Yes, he is, and with a lot of power behind him, Kinito.
Very little defense here by Mercado.
Ayan, nanghihina na po
Just
mga bay.
holding on.
Si Ramil Mercado Jr. Ay, yumayakap na itong si Mercado mga bay.
He does look wobbly.
Very little gas in his tank left.
Hawak na ni Albert Francisco ang bola ng laban.
The reputation of a big closer. Here he is in round number 7, scheduled for 8. He's going for the kill.
Ayan, bahagyang nanginginig na yung tuhod ni Mercado Jr. mga bay.
He can unload.
Here he comes once more. He's on the attack. Mercado's holding on. Looking to rest his tired legs, his tired hands. Mercado's still throwing. Not too much power behind his shots. Connected with the right hand that time.
So nauubusan na ng hangin itong si Ramil Mercado.
Francisco still with that relentless
Sinasamantala nitong makayakap talaga.
Of Francisco. Here's Mercado. Boy, this guy's got fighting heart.
Well, he is connecting, which is really no power behind those punches.
He's training himself to get that second win. That man is down.
That's a push.
Pushed down. No knockdown. But you see the mouth of Mercado's wide open. Here's Francisco.
Nice connection once again by Francisco.
Delikado na rito si Ramil Mercado Jr.
Mercado's ready to go. But will there be time?
Ayan, sa bibig na humihinga itong si Mercado. So patuloy ang pag-aggressive ni Francisco sa bakbakan.
Here we go once more with Francisco. Mercado's trying
Ayan,
to
save
hold
by the
on.
bell pa ito mga bay.
This has definitely been the round of Francisco.
End of the round.
Round number
Great.
Last and final round na mga bay.
Can he pull off a comeback victory?
So sumugod nga agad rito si Albert Francisco. Talagang gusto niyang makakuha ng isang knockdown, knockout victory dito sa kanyang kalaban.
Can he hold on? Will his legs give way?
Hoy, nanginginig na yung tuhod ni Ramil Mercado.
He knows he's got to throw all the stops right now. He's still down
Uy,
1 point.
solid ang suntok na yun ni Francisco mga bay.
Look at the way he's moving around. A lot of confidence.
Ayan mga bay, munti ka nang bumagsak dun si Ramil.
It's Mercado.
Kunting push na lang Francisco.
Looking for that clean opportunity.
Naantay na natin dito mga bay ang pagbagsak nitong si Ramil Mercado kung tuloy-tuloy ang ginagawang pagsugod ni Francisco sa bakbakan.
He looked like he was ready to go down after absorbing that right.
There's
Ay yumayakap na si Ramil.
body of Mercado. Mercado holding on. Once more. And he's down. They do not
That
call
was a
him
push.
knockdown. But he's
So
slowing
kahit
down.
nakatama ng suntok si Francisco doon mga bay, bago bumagsak itong si Ramil ay tinawag na push yung
Francisco
pagkaluhod ni Ramil.
still looking for that knockout. Here's Mercado for combination.
Nangangalahati na tayo dito sa round 8. Kaya may sapat na oras pa mga bay
That's going to slow this forward
para
progress
mapabagsak
right
ni
now.
Francisco si Ramil.
He needs to push the pace once again.
Francisco has
It's the
to
final
go.
round.
He has to go for the home run. He's in danger of losing his final points because of the early lead opened by Mercado. Mercado just trying to stay alive, moving back and forth.
That really looks like it, Benito. He knows he was able to build up a big lead. But can he hold on?
Minute to go here in this fight. Francisco still looking for that big shot, the one punch that could end this fight.
Now it looks like Mercado's picked up his second win.
But there's no pressure coming from Francisco. He's got to put pressure.
Parang napapagod na rin ata itong si Francisco mga bay. Tumigil na sa pagbitaw ng suntok itong si Francisco.
He's not pressuring enough. Mercado's just
Kulang na sa pag-agresibo itong si Albert Francisco mga bay.
now he's smiling.
Well, because he knows he's 30 seconds away from possibly winning this one.
So ayan nga mga bay, parang hindi na mapapabagsak itong si Ramil. At mapupunta nga sa scorecard ng mga horado ang tatanghaling bagong kampyon ng WBC International Flyweight title.
Mercado doing a good job of surviving this late assault by Francisco.
Okay, end of the round.
Rounds clearly.
Ayan mga bay, pahingkan natin yung scorecard ng mga horado.
76-76.
Uy, draw. Ang isang judge ay tabla.
Mercado Jr. Judge Tomeldan scored it. 76-76 draw. It's a draw. Judge Tomeldan scored it. 77-75 Albert Francisco. And Judge Abainza scored it 76-76
Agay.
draw we have
Tabla mga bay.
a majority draw.
Majority draw.
Tabla po mga kaibigan.